Okay, Doctor, if you could explain this piece of equipment for us?
Sure, this is the CEREC 3D system. It's a way to fabricate inlays, onlays, crowns, and veneers without taking any impression, without using any metals in a single visit. So there's two parts to the system. Obviously, this is the design center that will allow us to take a scan with this infrared camera and then bring us a virtual proposal. Once we have finished designing a particular crown, it will end up in this particular milling chamber where a solid block of porcelain is placed and robotic arms will carve out the restoration within 10 to 15 minutes. And then that's fitted to the patient's tooth immediately.
Fascinating.
We'll load one here just to get an image. In fact, Chris just acquired one of these systems.
Well, for many of the viewers at Space Coast Medicine, you know, learning that we have such incredible expertise and skill from our dentists here in Brevard County, it's very reassuring.
Actually, in the past I've served as an in-office trainer for this system. I'm a beta tester for them. I've published multiple articles on the system over the years. But here's what it does, Giles. So this is what the scan looks like, and what we end up doing is once the image is made, we map out where the finished line of the tooth is, and then it will give us an approximation of where that is, and then we go to the next step, and the computer will generate and create this tooth to fit that particular area perfectly.
That makes it such a precise calculation and precise fit.
Absolutely.
I assume.
It's the most accurate thing. It's more accurate than human hands.
And how long does this procedure take, sort of from start to finish?
For a typical patient, they come in and it's probably about a 2-hour procedure from start to finish. There's time involved with obviously getting anesthetized for the procedure, then the time required to clean up the particular tooth, then the scan is made, the crown is made. We actually have a second system in the laboratory that will take this particular crown and we can characterize it to match the exact color and the glaze on your tooth so it blends in naturally, just like a tooth. If you look at my front teeth, in fact that's exactly the restoration of my front tooth. I broke it off in 7th grade, and you can see it fits in beautifully and it works out real well.
And the name of this technology again?
This is called a Sirona system. It's a CEREC 3D system.